Vivo is likely to announce the Vivo X90 series on November 22nd in China. To talk about the lineup, then it's likely to include three models: the Vivo X90, Vivo X90 Pro, and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. A new leak, courtesy of a very well-known source, has revealed the memory configurations and color variants of the X90 series. The report, which cites popular tipster Ishan Agarwal as the source, reveals that the Vivo X90 will be arriving in two configurations, such as 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB of RAM plus 256GB storage, and 12GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage. It will be arriving in shades like black, ice blue, and red. Reports have also claimed that the Vivo X90 and X90 Pro will feature the Dimensity 9200 chipset. The X90 Pro Plus, on the other hand, will come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. The Vivo X90 Pro will be available in three models, like I said, 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 512GB. And this phone will be available in two color options, black and red colors. Whereas the X90 Pro Plus will come in two options, 12GB plus 256GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Like the X90 Pro, the Pro Plus edition will also come in black and red color. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.